Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring you're signed into the correct Apple ID on the device you'll use. Once signed in, make sure Face or Touch ID or the passcode is available to authenticate. Now open Settings or the App Store and tap your profile. This gets you to the account area where purchase and subscription records live. Don't navigate elsewhere. Once done, you'll access purchase history quickly. This initial alignment prevents mismatched accounts and missing transactions. You navigate to Media and Purchases and select View Account to reveal purchase history. This is where Apple lists charges and refunds. Once inside, pick a date range or use most recent 90 days for recent activity. You can also expand older months. Tap any line item to see merchant details, exact date, order ID, and the subtotal plus taxes or fees. If a subscription charge appears, follow the link to Subscription Settings to confirm renewal details and billing period. You finish by using the Report a Problem link on any transaction that's incorrect. Choose a reason and request a refund or explanation. Once done, export key order ID by copying them or capture screenshots for bookkeeping. Apple doesn't provide CSV from iOS. If transactions are missing, sign out and sign back in, check other Apple ID, or review payment method statements to reconcile. If problems persist, contact Apple support with the order ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.